Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a key symbol comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select comment option and firstly click on this sticky note. Now click right button for properties and here you will find this key symbol. You can change this symbol color. Use this color. Now select OK and see this key symbol now showing here and type here your comment or paste text and post. You can reply, also you can add check mark and see this key symbol comment now added. Yeah, you can move it anywhere. This is. Thank you for using watching. Please like, subscribe